VSTS stock analysis and VSTS stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Vestis Corporation, and yeah, I'm just like observing this. I'm like, right, yeah, 11%, 12% down. This is ultimately how my chart's going to look like. It's in a good bullish trend, but also hard time from bearish. Now let me explain. I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors and documented everything. I mean, I've spent 5 figures on courses for F's sake, you know. So because it's in a demand zone, I'm very open for the long side, but that also entails that it can also crash, and it might also be like a prediction where I'm just not gonna get involved. So what I'm exactly waiting for is a little movement up, pull down, and a break above it. So I see a clear little shift. And if I don't, then obviously I'm just not gonna be doubling down on this market zone. So yeah, if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.